Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for a partner of a worker work visa on New Zealand. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened New Zealand immigration site where I have opened partner of a worker work visa. This visa allows you to work in New Zealand while your partner is here on work visa. Length of stay, your partner's work visa, cost is given, and 80% of applications are processed within 6 weeks. Okay, but again it may vary case by case. If you scroll down on this page, you're gonna see other information like what you can do. Okay, and this does not need a job offer. Okay, all right. So when you are ready to apply, you'll click on apply online, and then you have to log in on the Realme account. And of course you need to show some patience. Okay, so the very first thing you need to have a Realme login. If you don't have a Realme login, you need to register for it. If you want to see how to do that, I'm going to include a link in the description. There you can go and watch. For now I'm going to log in and I'm going to see you there. Okay guys, so now I'm in my Realme account. So here in my Realme account, I'm going to click partner or child visa. Are you applying a visa as a partner or child of one of the following? New Zealand citizen visa holder? Yeah. Do you have MasterCard or Union Pay? Yes, that's why we are going to pay. Are you an Australian citizen or permanent resident? I select no. Okay. Name as shown in your passport. So I'm going to put sample, but you do as per your own case. So let's say there is an Indian couple, John Smith and Clara Smith. John is working in New Zealand and Clara wants to join her husband. So this application is filled by Clara. Okay. It's just sample. When you do it as per your own case. Other names that you have are known or ever been known. What is your gender? Date of birth? Let's make it younger. Yeah, that's okay. Where you were born? Passport number of Clara in our case. Everything that you enter, check it at least 2 times. Okay, no typo, nothing. That you should make sure of. Expiry date, national and identity number. I'm skipping it because it's not mandatory, but if you have, definitely provide. If applicable, provide details of other citizenships you hold. So India does not allow dual nationality, so definitely as an Indian citizen nothing can be written here. But yes, if it is applicable in your case based on your nationality, definitely provide. What is your partner's status? I select married. Have you previously applied for a visa for New Zealand? I select no. Let's assume this is a help for application, but nothing to hide because anyway they are gonna find out. Correct residential address. So let's say Clara lives in India. Address. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't do like this, provide proper address. At least one phone number is mandatory. I'm just putting mobile number. Email also write properly. Don't do like this, because anyway notifications will come on your email account only. Is your postal same as your address? Yes. Will you be in the same country? Yes. Yeah. Group application, I assume no, but let's say if you're applying along with your partner, then you should select yes. In this case, I am assuming John is already in New Zealand. Okay. Declaration. Continue. I mean, John has just gone to New Zealand. That's I'm assuming. Visa details. Are you applying as a partner or dependent child of another person? Partner, I assume. What you're applying? I select work visa. Okay. How does your partner state of visa status allow them to support? Okay. Earning the required wage threshold. I select this one. Okay. Essential skilled workers visa threshold. How long you are planning to stay? Okay, let's say this option is applicable to her. How will you be financially supported? Partner, my supporting persons. Okay. Are you and your partner currently living together in general relationship and stable? I select yes. Together for last 12 months in total. I select yes. Will you and your partner be in New Zealand for the same period of time? I select yes. Are you close relative? I select no. This is just sample I entered. Do it as per your own case. You don't have to select these. Okay, based on your circumstances. What this person relationship to you? So I select husband. Definitely you know your husband's last name, his first name too, his title too, date of birth too, directory of birth, date, town, city of birth. Let's say he was also born here. So these fields are not mandatory. Passport number, partners, I mean John's passport number, uh, territory of passport, expiry date, but definitely you are aware of this, so definitely provide it. Will your certain partner need to provide police certificate from any country? I select yes. Yeah, but definitely you provide the values for this, right? This is just a sample video, that's why I'm skipping. But don't do that in your case. Why to hide? Principal applicant health. So Clara's health declaration. Your tuberculosis, no. Renal dialysis, hospital care, residential care. Are you pregnant? I select no. Have you visited or lived in more than 3 months within last 5 years? Where have you visited? So I just select India. Let's say she hasn't been out of India. Have you previously for chest ray certificate, chest X-ray? Have you previously provided a general medical certificate? No. Let's say this is her first application to New Zealand, so she hasn't provided anything like this. Continue. Character data. Have you ever been convicted at any time offense, including driving offense? So read all these questions very clearly and answer genuinely. Okay, and then proceed. Don't hide, otherwise there could be consequences. Work history. Are you currently working? I select no, means I am assuming Clara is housewife, but if you are working, definitely put yes and then provide your job history information. If you need more space, click on add employment history and do. But for sample video, I'm assuming Clara is a housewife and she's not working. Okay, continue. Other contact. Do you have any other contacts in New Zealand? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide information. Apply and insist. Are you completing this form on behalf of someone else? I select no. Have you received immigration advice or assistance related to this application? I select no, but answer as per your case. Okay, now we have reached the document stage. So let's see what are the documents they have asked. It also depends on what you answer. Passport style photograph, relevant pages of passport, identification card, any translation if applicable, evidence of fund to support. She needs to provide checks to X-ray, proof the relationship is genuine and stable, evidence that she is living with her partner, timeline of her relationship, required police certificates. So not in English, it must be uploaded. Completed form for partner supporting partnership based temporary entry application. Okay, this I'll cover in a different video. If you want to upload more documents, replace and provide that. Okay, so it is totally as per your case. And once you are through all the mandatory slots, you can click on continue, where you will accept the declaration and pay the fee, and from there the application will proceed. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.